all of you. I am from Elevate Finishing School, and my story topic is the lamb of the slaughter. So basically, the lamb of the slaughter means doing something without knowing. Like if I have done something wrong, but I have not let anything in a proof. Like, are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So in this story is written by actually Roald Dahl. He is a he support feminism basically. He always used to support, and he always used to write some stories in the behalf of feminism and feminist. In this story, basically there were two characters, that is Mary Maloney and the Peter Patricks. They both are husband and wife, and Mary Maloney is like pregnant for like 6 months. Okay. After that, what happened? The Peter Patricks is a government investigator. Like, he is an investigator. He used to do investigation. After that, what happened is, they both are lovable couple. Like, they both love each other like lovebirds. For some instance. After that, it's happened like Peter Patricks is totally distracted from Mary Maloney because he got someone else. Like, no, don't take it otherwise. He got someone else. What happened is, what Mary Maloney did, like every Thursday they both go for supper. Supper is like evening, like snacks. Okay, every Thursday. But on that Thursday, what happened is, he came from his office and he react like very dull and very much sad, and he want to tell something to Mary, confess something to Mary Maloney. What he want to confess is, like, when he came to the house, and Mary was excited that we are going for supper, and I don't want to make, like, I'm not going to prepare food for tonight and all. Then they both like, when he came and he said, we are not going anywhere, we are just like, I want to talk something, so please sit here. Then she prepared drinks for both of like, they both of them. Then he prepared, and he like, drink that alcohol normally. Then he confessed. He, like, for the 10 minutes he was like sitting very angry, like what to say. He was like thinking. But Mary asked him, what happened, Patrick, is everything all right? Then he said, I love someone else, and I'm just leaving you, and even she's pregnant. So this is like not a joke. Okay, so he said, I'm just leaving and all. Then he was just preparing for the supper, like lamb, piece of lamb, like legs and
yes.
That, and she has put it in the freezer, so it will like hard, that hardness. If someone like beat from that,
Yes.
obviously. So what Mary did, he was like going outside like for a break. He said, I want a break, I'm just going out. When he is going out, he is just, she gone to the kitchen and opened the freezer and take that lamp and hit to the Patrick's head from the back, this side. After that, he died. Instantly he died, like on spot he died, because he has like this side, this is like minor, no? So he died on spot. What Mary did is, he was not at all in a shock. He was just prepared, oh shit, I will, because of me, my upcoming son is also going to face this, and obviously he also going to like imprisonment punishment. That's what. Then he react like normally, oh shit, everything is all right. Then he gone to the like market. He gone to the market, like grocery shop, where she meet Sam. Sam is a lady, and she react normally, like, hey Sam, please, may I get some potatoes, chips and all, like for my husband, like for my Peter. She reacted this. After that, she is normally. Then she came back to the house and she saw, oh my god, who is he? Like his husband was like laying, that's laying. Then he done very overacting, like trying to be normal. Then he called the investigator. I was in the supermarket grocery, and when I came, I saw my husband laying down in front of door and all. This happened, and when investigator came, and he investigate everything, like what happened, and he used to like check everything to get proper output.
Yes.
Then it's then he can't found anything because that lamp was in the oven, and he was like, that lamp is a oven. So the proof is on the and they like investigator haven't checked in the oven, like in the kitchen. So normally after that, what happened is, investigator gone to the grocery shop when Mary told I was in there and all. Then when he gone to the grocery shop, they got nothing because that Sam, as I said earlier, that Sam told, yeah, she was very much normal, and she was planning to make a supper for his husband, like potatoes, chips, lambs and all. So how can he kill his husband? Obviously, that what investigator thought. So this whole story created by Mary is like a mess for investigator. He thought they thought everything is all right, and someone came and hit her husband and all. After that, in the evening, that lamp. Then investigator, Mary told investigator that actually I made that lamp for my husband, and I want someone can eat that supper for my like sake, for my sake.
Yes.
For my sake. Then the proof they had eaten, like investigator had eaten that proof as the, like, are you getting what I am saying? The proof will on their stomach obviously as a supper, as a dinner.
Okay.
So yeah, so moral of the story तो नहीं, there is no moral of the story, but the thing is कि he has like hide his proof very smartly, and she is very much clever, and now she is all right. That's all.